We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users are saying about the Lily England Teen Girl Gifts Trendy Stuff Gentle Detangler Hairbrush for curly, thick, straight, and natural hair in rose gold. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The Lily England Detangler Brush has quickly become a standout in the world of hair care, earning a spot as a best-selling product and being featured in publications like BuzzFeed and the Daily Mail. Its appeal is broad, targeting not just teen girls but anyone seeking a gentle, effective solution for detangling hair of all types. The brush boasts over 400 flexible bristles designed to glide smoothly through hair, minimizing breakage and pain. Its ergonomic handle provides comfortable control, making it suitable for both wet and dry hair, as well as for extensions and wigs. The brush's versatility is a key selling point, with users reporting success on fine, curly, thick, straight, and even damaged hair. One of the most consistent themes in user feedback is the brush's ability to detangle hair quickly and painlessly. Many reviewers describe the experience as life-changing, particularly those who have struggled with frizzy, tangled, or damaged hair for years. Several users with fine, bleached, or chemically treated hair share stories of battling persistent tangles and frizz, often resorting to washing or soaking their hair with detangler before attempting to brush. With the Lily England Detangler, these users report being able to brush their hair dry without additional products and without the usual discomfort or hair loss. The soft, varied bristle heights and patterns are frequently cited as the reason for this gentle performance, allowing the brush to work through knots without snagging or pulling. The ergonomic design of the brush is another highlight. Users appreciate how comfortably it fits in the hand, making it easy to maneuver through different sections of hair. The lightweight construction, at just under 2 ounces, means it does not cause fatigue during longer brushing sessions. The rose gold finish and overall aesthetic appeal are also commonly mentioned, with many buyers noting that the brush looks as good as it performs. This visual appeal makes it a popular gift choice, especially for teens and young adults, but also for anyone who appreciates attractive, functional beauty tools. Parents and caregivers of children with sensitive scalps or sensory issues have found the Lily England Detangler to be a game changer. Several reviewers mentioned that their children, who previously resisted hair brushing due to pain or discomfort, now tolerate or even enjoy the process. The brush's gentle bristles and soothing scalp massage effect are credited with reducing tears and tantrums during morning routines. One user even noted that the sound the brush makes while gliding through hair was pleasing to their niece, making the experience more enjoyable overall. This has led to multiple purchases within families, with buyers returning to purchase brushes for siblings, children, and even pets. Performance on different hair types is a frequent topic in reviews. Users with long, thick, or curly hair often express skepticism before trying the brush, only to be pleasantly surprised by its effectiveness. One reviewer with long, thick hair described detangling as a previously unpleasant chore that has become much easier and faster with the Lily England brush. Another user with curly hair, who had not brushed their hair for 2 weeks due to illness, found that the brush was able to tackle mats and tangles with minimal pain and hair loss. The brush's ability to work through tough knots without breaking hair is often described as miraculous, especially for those accustomed to losing large amounts of hair during detangling. However, it is important to note that not all feedback is entirely positive. Some users caution that while the brush is excellent for detangling, it may not deliver the smoothing effect suggested in some advertisements, particularly for very frizzy or tightly curled hair. For these hair types, the brush excels at removing tangles without breakage, but may not leave the hair as sleek as a traditional smoothing brush. Additionally, a few reviewers advise against paying more than $10 for the brush, suggesting that while it is effective, it is best valued as an affordable solution rather than a luxury item. Despite these minor critiques, the overwhelming majority of users report satisfaction with the brush's performance and value. Ease of cleaning is another benefit highlighted by users. The design allows loose hair to be easily removed from the bristles, preventing buildup and making maintenance straightforward. This is particularly appreciated by those who experience significant shedding or who use the brush on multiple family members. The brush's durability is also praised, with many users noting that it holds up well to regular use without losing its effectiveness or comfort. The Lily England Detangler's appeal extends beyond human users, with at least one reviewer planning to purchase an additional brush for their dog, who typically dislikes being brushed. The gentle bristles and scalp massage effect are seen as likely to be appreciated by pets with sensitive skin or long fur. This versatility underscores the brush's gentle, non-damaging design, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. In terms of gifting, the brush is frequently described as a thoughtful and attractive present for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. Its combination of visual appeal, practicality, and broad compatibility with different hair types makes it a safe choice for gift givers who may not know the recipient's specific hair care needs. The inclusion of a matching wide-tooth comb in some sets is also appreciated, providing additional value and versatility for detangling and styling. The Lily England Detangler Brush has achieved a high customer satisfaction rating, with over 28,000 reviews and an average rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars. Its popularity is reflected in its strong sales ranking within the beauty and personal care category. The product is not discontinued and continues to be manufactured in China with a model number of LEDB parent. Its dimensions are 7.48 by 3.15 by 1.57 inches, making it compact enough for travel yet substantial enough for effective detangling. In summary, the Lily England Teen Girl Gifts Trendy Stuff Gentle Detangler Hairbrush stands out as a highly effective, gentle, and attractive solution for detangling hair of all types. Its flexible bristles, ergonomic design, and visual appeal have earned it a loyal following among users with a wide range of hair textures and needs. While it may not deliver a perfectly smooth finish for all hair types, its ability to detangle without pain or breakage is widely celebrated. The brush is especially valued by those with sensitive scalps, children, and individuals with damaged or difficult-to-manage hair. Its affordability, ease of cleaning, and suitability as a gift further enhance its appeal. If you are looking for a reliable, gentle detangling brush that works across hair types and ages, the Lily England Detangler is a strong contender. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. If you have experience with this brush, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision.